いというアップ。
Why am I missing a rear panel? Because that rear panel's down there. There'll be a reason for that. Don't stress, Mr. Biggs. I've never imported a car before, you understand. Folding, the seats look good. The mats look good. I'm getting excited now. And I've got APAC. Japanese. Now's the time to learn Japanese, I guess.
It's that one there.
What, that one?
No, that one there.
Ah, so that's how you play MP4 videos on the touchscreen. It's a good job I know how to speak Japanese.